Hello, everyone. Are you wondering what is an average salary of a construction worker in Bahrain? Let's explore. Construction is important in Bahrain due to continuous growth and development projects. The average annual gross salary for a construction worker in Bahrain is around $10,800, which comes down to about $900 per month. After taxes, the annual salary remains roughly the same, around $10,800, as Bahrain imposes minimal income taxes, keeping monthly salaries around $900. Regional differences are minor, though workers in Manama might earn slightly more compared to rural areas. Experience affects salary noticeably. Entry-level workers usually earn around $700 monthly, while skilled and experienced workers can earn over $1,200. Vocational training can boost earnings further. Workers with university degrees typically secure higher-paid supervisory or management roles, whereas those without degrees generally fill lower-paid positions. Please like the video and share your salary in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye.